Well, I think from what I've seen so far, I think they are capable of hosting it. Of course, Ethiopia is a football-loving nation. We know that they really love their football here, and of course, they have a great supporters as well. And I mean, it's a pleasure to be here. I've enjoyed my stay so far and the hospitality as well, and I'm looking forward to coming back. Well, I think, like I said before, you have everything that it takes to host it, you know, and yeah, hopefully it will be a good one in 2029. Well, of course, yeah. I mean, like I said, I like what I've seen so far. It's a great nation, it's a great sporting nation. And you have great ambassadors, you know, that have represented Africa on the highest level. And of course, if I have the opportunity, I'll support Ethiopia to host it. No, I mean, it's always fun to have the opportunity to play a little bit. It's all about the love of the game, you know. It shows how they love the sport, you know, and of course, their encouragement is always welcome.